Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can fix Find My iPhone grayed out on your iPhone. So if the Find My iPhone option is grayed out on your iPhone, it can be due to several reasons including restrictions, settings, or software issues. So here's how you can solve it. Go ahead and simply open up Settings, scroll below, then simply select Screen Time. Inside here, scroll below again, then tap on Content and Privacy Restrictions. And if prompted, you can go ahead and simply enter your screen time password. Just like that, go ahead and simply select Location Services. And just like that, you need to go ahead and simply set it to Allow. The settings allow changes to location-related features including Find My iPhone. So, in iOS 18 or later, Apple introduced a feature called Stolen Device Protection that can lock certain settings, including Find My iPhone. To disable it, head back to Settings, tap on Face ID and Passcode, type in your passcode. And inside here, you need to go ahead and simply scroll below until you find Stolen Device Protection. Tap onto it and simply toggle it off. Disabling this feature may allow you to access and modify Find My iPhone settings. Also enable location services because Find My iPhone requires a location services to be enabled. So inside settings, go ahead and simply tap on privacy and security. Just like that, scroll below, then tap on location services and make sure to toggle on location services. This ensures that your device can determine its location, which is essential for Find My iPhone to function properly. Also, you can go ahead and simply turn off your low power mode. Low power mode can restrict certain features to save battery life. So that's it. With all these features, you'll then be able to fix Find My iPhone grayed out problem. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, leave a like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.